Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest reviews. Today, we're unboxing and reviewing a fresh pair of kicks, the Skechers Tres Air Uno lace-up sneakers. Let's jump right in. The Tres Air Uno lace-up sneakers. First impressions super sleek. The synthetic upper has a smooth finish, and I'm loving the visible air cushion in the heel. Gives it a sporty but stylish vibe. These sneakers are part of Skechers' street collection, and they definitely have that casual lifestyle aesthetic. The perforated details on the front add breathability, and the tonal laces keep the look clean. Plus, that Skechers branding on the tongue and heel is subtle but there. The air-cooled memory foam insole feels plush. You can literally press it down and see it bounce back. And the heel cushion? That Tres Air visible airbag is going to make a big difference when you're walking or standing for long hours. Okay, so I've been wearing these for a little bit now, and I've got to say, comfort is a solid 9/10. They feel lightweight, the cushioning is responsive, and they offer good arch support. Perfect for daily wear, commuting, or even light gym session. So, final verdict on the Skechers Tres Air Uno lace-up sneakers? They're stylish, super comfy, and versatile. Great value for the price, especially if you're on your feet a lot or just want a reliable everyday sneaker. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if it helped you out. Thanks for watching.